Hey guys, Matthew here. Let me give you an update because Skhotheni and I are getting arrested for criminal injury and defamation. Yo! So let me tell you what happens. So yesterday I'm minding my own business, right? I don't even remember what I was doing. Hi, I get a DM here on TikTok from Skhotheni. Babes, can I please have your number? I sent her my number. An hour later, a police detective calls me. I even forgot her name. She's like, listen, I'm Detective Banbani from Protea. Maweni is here to open a case of defamation and criminal injury against you. So I said, before she opens the case, let me call you. I'm like, okay, this is regarding what exactly? She's like, no, it's regarding the videos that you did about her and her family. I'm like, which videos? The one where I said that the uncle, her husband's uncle, has been arrested for 2 counts of murder. She's like, no, yes, it's those videos. It's not true. The uncle was not arrested. The uncle was just taken in for questioning. You must remove the video. I'm like, what do you mean he was taken for questioning? Because the man appeared in court. And also, the other media have also reported this. Are you also calling them, telling them to take down the video? No, I'm City Press and Daily Sun. It's not from the real website. It's the fake website. This and that and that and that. I'm like, okay, I will remove it. At this point, I had no intent to remove the videos. Hi, young phonela or detective, young phonela left, right, and center. At this point is harassment. When he calls me and it's like, Matthew, please remove the video. I'm like, okay, no problem. Calls my partner. And one thing about me and how I respect my partner, when my partner speaks, I listen and I do as he says. Hi, okay, sharp. My partner is like, Matthew, remove. And I'm like, again, you know. And then Skhotheni calls me and Skhotheni is like, how? I got a call from this police back team. I am feeding you this information that they are opening a case against me because I'm feeding information. I'm like, Haibo Kanjan. And then I'm like to Skhotheni, I'm like, girl, should I remove the video? I'm gonna play the recording at the end of this video. Hi, Skhotheni is like, no, remove the video. Hi, we remove the video. I confirm with this officer that I removed the video. My partner confirms with Maweni that the videos have been removed. No problem. We're thinking that this matter is over. Yo, goopy. Does this officer still not continue with me and Skhotheni the whole entire night? Guys, from afternoon until 11 p.m., this officer is busy. She's like, yeah, I'm Skhotheni. Matthew, come to the police station. Manje, come now. I'm opening the case now. Here's the case number. Come, Naibo. Oh, Skhotheni Wabantu now. Now she must drive to this police station. I'm like, girl, don't go there. So we call another officer to ask and click, you know, what's happening here. Kanti, that officer is the officer that is handling the murder cases. Yo, does this officer not go crazy? Yeah, no, Skhotheni and Matthew. Ke tlo le tshwara ke tlo le bulela case ibile le mpiletsa mafilika wa fake and mafilika ke family ya Skhotheni. This mafilika is busy you know, investigating fake murder cases. I want you guys to tell me, why are you guys after Maweni like this? Why are you after you said we must remove the videos. The videos have been privated. Now, I didn't delete the videos. I mainly just made them private. And with this conduct of this officer, and also confirming with my attorney, there's no defamation here. There's no criminal injury. Next more. I can just, right now if I want, I can put those videos back. But I'm not going to do that. You understand? Because Maweni asked me, and then I'm going to respect, you know, her decision or her asking me. We understand. Mara, this officer Mporil. So guys, please listen to this video.
Yeah. Remove them. Yeah. Remove them and keep quiet. Don't even state that Maweni called you, anything like that. Just remove them and then keep quiet.
Guys, did I say I get information from my source? So the detective is saying, I said on social media, I'm getting the information from my sources. Sekile journalist, kinalidi source. So she's saying she's gonna make sure I trend. Ne? She's gonna make sure I trend as Maweni. Maweni opened a case against me that I said she's a murderer. Guys, I fear for my life in a physical form, not in a spiritual form. I'm sharing this life so that you know if anything happens to me from February 6, 2025, please, you must know who's capable. The police officer has been calling me from 9 until 11. She's sending me WhatsApps. She's threatening me. She's shouting at me. And I said, please come and fetch me. If I did anything that is above the law, can they come and fetch me? If I did anything wrong, can they come and fetch me? I've been hiding. I've been getting threats. I got an email from Maweni. I didn't have her number. I blocked on WhatsApp. I blocked on social media that time. Then she sent me an email. She even stated that you and noGogo, stop it with your lies. We will see who's gonna laugh last. You guys are small waters. When I catch you, she made it with inverted commas that when she catches me, it's over. So, Licky, please go upstairs, my babe. Please give me some water and then go upstairs. Don't tell me that. Give me some water and then you go upstairs. I've been living in fear in the physical form. But I have a message to God that if He doesn't exist, then everything, whatever will happen to me, because I did not do anything wrong. But if God doesn't show His power now, that means He's not there. Honestly. Honestly. Maweni was not arrested for murder. She was arrested for assault. So why is she bring this up now? Why am I being attacked? Why am I being threatened? What did I do? What did I do? She's calling everybody. The Sangomas that went to support her, they are now together, conspiring certain things against me. What did I do? You posted, how can you post the coffin of my son and still want to do something to me after that and open a case against me? While you the one that did something so awful as a mother, something so damn awful and disgusting, and you go and open a case against me about something that I don't know, about something that is there, not there, creating stories. She's even saying I am a family of the police officer handling her case. You wanted to emotionally drain me, posting a coffin and writing my son's name on that fucking coffin. You wanted to emotionally squeeze me. But because I have God, I was not shaken. Did I cry? Yes. But did I fall? No. Because I know my Redeemer lives. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? I have to sleep. I can't sleep. I'm being called by the police. Can they come and fetch me if I'm wrong? Can they come and fetch me? This is getting too much. Emotionally, you're draining me. Now you want to drain me physically. Woman, what have I ever done to you? Whatever. 3 years. Njalo, Skhotheni, Maweni. What have I ever done to you? Nothing. You go deep. I can't even take my kid to school now. I can't take Liana to school now because I'm scared of her life. Who are you? Are you the God of this world? Who do you think you are? I didn't share that you've been threatening me on emails. I didn't tell people that you've been telling me that you're going to catch me. I didn't. I've been telling you, I can't fight. You have won. I think the last straw was you with the box of my son. You won. What do you still want? You showed us, you told us you're a witch with your mouth. You showed us Narelo box. What do you want? The box is gonna be on the internet and even in 10 years to come. My kids will see it. Whatever. What do you won? According to you, you won. What do you want from me?